Great minds, I greet you. Welcome back to the channel. Still on Hamster Kombat airdrop. I know most of you have been asking how do we activate a card in order to complete our combo to claim the 5 million points. So if you are searching for a way to complete your cards or to unlock your cards rather, you have been searching for a way how you are going to unlock your card, then you just have to know that this video is for you. All right, now let me just go ahead to click on play now. Let me navigate into my account. By the way, my name is Consolo Onyekure. Right here on this channel, we drop tips and updates on how to make money online, and we also drop airdrops. So if you are interested in such content, just go ahead right now. We are going to appreciate it a lot if you give this video a like, and also turn on the notification. Join our social handles via the links on the description section of this video. Okay, now I'll just click on thank you. All right, now if you want to claim your if you want to unlock your cards, you just come over to this mine section. You already know where the cards are, and you just choose a card that you want to unlock. Let me search for a card which I haven't unlocked yet. Okay, all right, now you can see this one right over here. It says coin decks. I don't know if you can see it right here. You can see coin decks here. Now this coin decks, this is how you are going to unlock it, because most of you have been asking how do we unlock this thing, and we just want to complete our 3 combo, and we want to claim the 5 million points or 5 million coins. Now this is how you can unlock it. This coin decks, now check under it, you are going to see coin telegraph level 10. Coin telegraph level 10. Now for you to unlock this coin decks, all you just have to do is to search for coin telegraph and upgrade it to level 10. Now where is coin telegraph? Check up now. You are going to see this is coin telegraph. All right, and I am presently at level 4, and each price goes for 600. That's each upgrade goes for 693 coins. That's for now, you understand, because it keeps on increasing. Now all I just have to do is to click on coin telegraph and keep upgrading it until it reaches level 10. Now it's level 5. I click again. Okay, level 6. I click again. So you can see that the price is increasing. Now it is 1930 coins to upgrade to level 8. I click again, and then I upgrade. I click again. You can see level 8 now, 2995 coins. Then 4870 coins. I click again. Okay, so now I have upgraded it to level 10, and automatically you can see that CoinDex is now open. CoinDex is now open. So it's very, very simple as that. So assuming they told you to unlock, that's to impute 3 different cards here, and you notice that maybe 1 or 2 or the 3 of them is still locked. This is how you can this is a method which you can use to unlock these cards. It's very, very simple. And then in my next video, I'll also show you how you can get, or how you can know the 3 combo cards. It's very, very simple, like as simple as ABC. In my next video, I'll just tell you how you can get your 3 combo cards every single day, so that you are going to accumulate and you are going to claim the 5 million Hamster Kombat coins. So it's very, very simple. So if you enjoyed this video, if you gained value from this video, we are going to appreciate if you give this video a like, just as I told you earlier. If you haven't subscribed, you can go ahead right now, subscribe to this YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and you can also join our social handles, WhatsApp and Telegram, via the links on the description section of this video. And lest I forget, guys, If you also want to register on Hamster Kombat, the link is also right down there on the description section of this video. In fact, it's the first link there. Just check it out. You are going to see that it's the first link. Click on that link, register right now, and start mining. This project is going to be a very big and a massive one. So I believe you won't like to be left behind. Okay? So this is it about this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in my next video.